If you are a beginner game developer or graphics programmer who want to know what is the path you have to take to learn graphics programming, this video is for you and me, because I'm a beginner too. The path to learn graphics programming is made up of 6 phases. Phase 1 is our foundation phase. Think of it as a building that launchpad for our rocket. We will master C++ with a focus on the specific aspects needed for graphics programming. We will learn about memory management, performance optimization, and building robust systems. Phase 2 is what I call the mathematical gateway. This is where the magic begins. We will explore linear algebra, learning about vectors, matrices, and transformations. We will discover how these mathematical concepts create the backbone of everything we see in computer graphics. Phase 3 is our entry into 2D graphics programming. This is where theory meets practice. We will start creating our first rendering systems, learning about coordinate systems, pixels, colors, and basic transformations. We will build a complete 2D graphics system from scratch. Phase 4 takes us into the third dimension. We will learn about 3D space, meshes, and the graphics pipeline. We will master OpenGL, write our first shader, and start creating 3D worlds. This is where things get really exciting. We will see our mathematical knowledge transform into visible 3D objects on screen. Phase 5 is our advanced rendering phase. We will dive into complex topics like physics-based rendering, advanced lighting systems, and post-processing effects. We will learn about modern rendering techniques used in today's games and how to implement them ourselves. The final phase is our specialization phase. This is where we will focus on specific areas that interest us most, whether that's game engine graphics, scientific visualization, or real-time rendering techniques. We will work throughout this journey. We will be building real projects, not just following tutorials. We will create our own math library, building a basic renderer, develop a material system, and eventually create a complete graphics engine. Every step of the way, I'll share my struggles, my breakthroughs, and all the sources I'm using to learn.